Welcome to Pierre Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to configure and automate the Do Not Disturb and cleaning functions. We begin by opening the partner application. In this interface, we are able to add both of the control states. We navigate to the controller, find the Services tab, tap on it, and select the Add button. First, we create a service called Do Not Disturb. We name it accordingly, assign it to the Academy dashboard, and press Save. At this point, the Do Not Disturb toggle appears on the dashboard interface. Next, we repeat the same steps to create the cleaning state. We name this one Cleaning, assign it to the Academy dashboard as well, and hit Save. Once confirmed, both toggles Do Not Disturb and Cleaning are present on the dashboard. To make these toggles functional, we need to create automation scenarios. For this, we switch over to the regular Pierre application. We navigate to the Scenarios tab, tap Add, and name the first scenario Do Not Disturb. We assign this scenario to the Academy role. It is not necessary to display it on the dashboard. For the output action, we select the RGB-equipped access control unit. Since this is the Do Not Disturb mode, we set the indicator color to red. After selecting the color, we save the configuration and confirm. We then proceed to create the cleaning scenario in a similar manner. We assign it to the Academy role. Set the color to blue and confirm by saving the changes. Now that the scenarios have been defined, we need to link them to the actual toggle actions. Back in the Pierre application, we go to the Do Not Disturb scenario and access the automation settings. We tap Add New Automation, select Existing I/O, choose the Do Not Disturb input, and set the condition to Active. We then tap Done to confirm. We repeat the same process for the cleaning toggle. We long press it, go to Automation, tap Add New, choose Existing I/O, and this time select the cleaning input, again setting it to Active, and confirm with Done. After giving the controller a few moments to download the new configuration, we are ready to test the setup. When we tap the Do Not Disturb toggle, the RGB light immediately turns red. When we deactivate it and activate the cleaning toggle, the RGB light switches to blue. To make the system even more complete, we now configure a default OK state. This state will indicate normal operation by displaying a white light whenever neither Do Not Disturb nor cleaning is active. Tap Add and name the new scenario OK. We assign this scenario to the Academy role and select the RGB light as the output. This time we choose white as the indicator color and save the scenario. Next, we open the OK scenario, go to Automation Settings, and set the conditions. We tap Add New, select Existing I/O, and choose the Do Not Disturb input with the condition Not Active. Then we add another input selecting Cleaning with the condition Not Active as well. It is essential to set the logic between these two conditions to AND so that the white light is triggered only when both toggles are turned off. After confirming, the automation is complete. Now it's time to test the entire configuration. From the display, we activate Do Not Disturb, the light turns red. We turn it off, and the light reverts to white. We activate Cleaning, the light turns blue. When we turn it off again, it returns to white. The system now functions beautifully, both in logic and appearance. All behaviors are mirrored on the Berlin display as well. And that's it. The setup is complete. You've successfully implemented smart control for Do Not Disturb and cleaning modes using Pierre's RGB access unit and dashboard automations. Great job! And thank you for watching this Pierre Academy tutorial.